In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the SmartThings app. If you want to control compatible smart home devices like TVs, lights, appliances, and other connected products from your Android phone, the SmartThings app is the official app to use. The good news is that downloading it is very simple, and I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app marketplace for Android devices, and it's the safest place to download apps like SmartThings. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type SmartThings. As you type, you may see search suggestions appear. Go ahead and select the correct app from the results. You're looking for SmartThings by Samsung Electronics Company Limited. This is an important detail because it helps make sure you're downloading the official app and not a different one with a similar name. After you find the correct SmartThings app page, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds or a little longer. During this time, just wait for the download and installation to finish completely. Once the app is installed, you'll see the Open button appear. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. This takes you directly into SmartThings so you can begin setting it up right away. After opening the app, sign in with your Samsung account. This is necessary because SmartThings uses your Samsung account to sync and manage your connected devices. If you don't already have an account, you may be prompted to create one before continuing. Next, allow the permissions the app asks for, such as location and nearby devices. These permissions help SmartThings discover and connect to supported smart home products around you. If you skip permissions, some features may not work properly, so it's usually best to allow them when prompted. Once that's done, you can start adding and controlling your smart devices through the app. From there, you'll be able to manage compatible devices, create routines, and control your smart home more easily from one place. And that's it. That's how to download the SmartThings app on Android and get started using it.